What is up everyone, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video, I'm going to show you my newly made candy dispenser. I named it Sweet Spin because it dispenses 3 kinds of sweet treats, and these are golden choco coins, mini Mentos, and choco nuts. So here is the overall view of my machine. Was the 360-degree view of my machine, so now let's fill it up with sweet goodies. To get your candies, you just have to spin this button, and as easy as that, treats will fall out to the prize sheet. If you like this cardboard dispenser, do smash those thumbs up and might as well share the video with your friends and family. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell to be updated for my future videos and posts. So I think that is all in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay creative. Bye!